Good afternoon, everybody. This is the Balloon Bandit of Amusement with a Twist, and it is Monday, and I have a concept balloon for Monday. So if you would like to see a tutorial on it, let me know, and I will get it together. It is a biplane. As you can see, the full structure. Came out really good, I thought. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you'd like to see the tutorial on how I did it. If you think it came out pretty good, remember to like, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe in order to get all the latest updates that we got going on. We got Twister Tuesdays, we got balloon twisting on Mondays. Sometimes we have concepts and stuff shown, other times we have tutorials. And again, if you want to see the tutorial on this, let me know, and I will get it uploaded as soon as possible. Okay, so also remember, Balloon Animals for Beginners is on Thursdays. And it is structurally sound so that it sets on the wheels. Okay? So have a great one. Enjoy, everybody. Till next time.